Hi students, happy day for you. During this critical situation, don't go anywhere unnecessarily. Keep social distance. Repeatedly wash your hands. Be safe. Okay, and also you learn well. I hope everyone see the video, previous video, last class we studied about the chemical kinetics. What is the introduction part of chemical kinetics? What is mean by rate? So rate change of concentration per unit time, that is called as rate. Today we are going to see about the continuation for the chemical kinetics. Okay, today we are going to see the what is mean by average speed, average rate and the instantaneous rate. Before going to see that, what is mean by average speed? Already you studied in the physics average speed and the instantaneous speed. So say for example, I am taking one car, drawing one time and also the distance. So the moving the distance of the car, the speed of the car. So now we are, I am taking one car. It is starting from the A. So here also it is starting from the A. The car is started to accelerate to moving means what will happen? So the curve is also moving. Now I am also moving. That is the now the car is stopped. So the curve also, the distance is also stopped. Now again the car is started. It is also moving the another point. Okay. Again the curve accelerated to start the car means it is reached the point, that is B. So the initial time is 0 and the A point. So the final time is T, it is B. Okay, that is the distance between the total distance. What is the average speed? Average speed means total distance divided by the time, total time. So that is called as average rate. So what is the same way the average rate is also can be calculated. That is here the concentration. Concentration means again we plot one diagram, that is here, that is time. Here also concentration. Now we are considered one reactant A plus B and giving C plus D. Okay, so this is called as reactant and product. This is C plus D is the product. I already previous class we explained what is mean by reactant. The reactants are disappear, the product will be appear. So that is the same thing. The change in the concentration per time, that is called as rate. So the average rate, that is the, so here that is concentration, the concentration of this reactant will decreases. Okay, so here also the product will be increases. Okay, so this is reactant, this is product. The product curve is also, I differentiate that one. This is product, this is reactant. So what will, this is called as the reactant will decrease slowly, the reactant will decreases, the product will be increases. So I already studied what is meant by rate, the disappearance of the reactant and the appearance of the product. So that is called as that is also here explained. What is meant by average rate? Average rate is also can be explained total distance divided by the time, total time. So here one example in your book, the one example, cyclopropane for isomerization of cyclopropane is converted into propene, that is isomerization, that the symbol, that is cyclopropane is converted into propene, so in 780 Kelvin. So that is called as cyclopropane is converted into propene. So the time interval, so here one example, they already give the time interval for the concentration, changing the time. So concentration 0 time, the concentration is started here 2. The further time 5 minutes, the concentration will be decreases. Again up to 30 minutes. The total time is how much? That is 30. The total concentration, that is 69. But what is mean by average rate? What is mean by average rate? How to calculate? Average rate is equal to total concentration divided by total time. So here that is rate of the reaction, average rate of the reaction, total concentration by total time. So here total concentration how much? That is 0.69 for in the interval. So here the starting level is 0.69, that is total distance. So here also total time 30 seconds. So here already we explained the previous class, one explanation is there. So what is meant by rate of the reaction? Rate of the reaction is equal to minus A2 minus A1 for two intervals divided by T2 minus T1. That is, we already studied A2 minus A1, T2 minus T1. The same way, the total concentration, the rate over entire 30 minutes, entire 30 minutes. What is the rate over entire 30 minutes? How much? Entire 30 minutes. So what is the rate? So 0. The final value is 0.69. The starting is 2, the final 0.69. So the entire 30 minutes, how it can be calculated? A2 final value 0.69 minus what is the initial value, that is 2, divided by what is the initial final time, that is 30. Initial time how much? That is 0. So here minus symbol is also there. What is the value? 2 minus 0.69 equal to 1.31. The minus equal to plus, that is 1.61 divided by 30. So the value becomes 4.36 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter minus 1. Mole liter inverse. Okay, so this is the average rate, that is the rate of the distance for the total distance. So here, suppose we can let us also calculate the average rate for the initial and the later stage. So here, that is another one calculation. Now I can calculate the average rate for this cyclopropane. So the time interval I can calculate now 0 to 10 seconds. Okay, so average rate of the initial stage, the time taken how much? 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10, that is the average rate. Okay, so what is the initial value? How much? The final A2, what is the value? 1.40 minus 2. Here minus symbol is there. So that is the reactant, disappearance of the reactant, that is the minus symbol, divided by what is the value here? That is time how much? 10 minus 0. So what is the value? So 1.4 minus 2 equal to 0.6 divided by 10 equal to 6 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter minus 1. The same thing, rate of the final stage, rate of later stage. Later stage, what is the? So that I can calculate this last two stage, 20 to 30 minutes here. Here also the rate. Okay, so I can calculate this one. So what is the value? So minus how much? 0.69 minus 0.98 divided by 30 minus 20. So here the minus symbol is also there. So that is, we can calculate 0.29 divided by 10. So equal to 2.9 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, once again I say the initial stage. What is the initial stage? I can calculate here. Rate of initial stage. I can calculate this two values, 0 to 10 minutes. So what is the change in the concentration for 0 to 10 minutes? That is, initial stage means 0 to 10 minutes. How much the concentration can be changed? What is the average rate? So what is the formula? Minus 1.40 minus 2 divided by total time how much? 10 minus 0. That is T2. But this is the formula. Rate, average rate of the reaction. This is the formula. So we can calculate here 1.40 minus to 10 minus 0. So the value is 0.6 divided by 10 equal to 6 into 10 power minus 2 mole liter inverse and minutes minus 1. Okay, this is rate of initial stage. Rate of later stage. Rate of later stage, I can calculate the last two value, 20 to 30 minutes. The value is 0.69 minus 0.98. Okay. So divided by what is the time taken? That is 30 to 20. So here what is the value? 0.29 divided by 10 equal to 2.9 into 10 power minus 2 mole liter inverse and minutes inverse. Okay, from the above calculation, what is the conclusion for this average rate? So the average rate decreases with the time of the reaction proceeds. So the concentration will be the concentration change. So the initial rate of the initial stage, that the amount will be decreases. Here 6 into 10 power 2, that is from the initial stage to final, the entire 30 minutes, the average rate will be, the reactant rate will be decreases, the product rate will be increases. So here that is the reactant, this will be decreases, and this product rate will be increases. That is the average rate. What is mean by instantaneous rate? So what is mean by instant? At a particular instant during the reaction. So what is now here one tangent is drawn in that point. So in the concentration in particular point, one tangent is drawn in that point is called as instantaneous rate. So that is the slope of it. We can calculate instantaneous reaction rate is the mixing of the reactant, the slope of the tangent drawn in the curve of the concentration. So here this is the instantaneous rate. There at the instant of the rate, so one tangent is drawn in that point. So at any point, at any instant, one tangent is drawn, that is called as instantaneous rate. So this is the average rate and the instantaneous rate. Next we are going to see the what is mean by rate law. So what is mean by rate law? We already studied what is mean by rate. What is mean by rate? Change in the concentration per unit time. So the one slight difference, what is rate law? Here one example, XA and YB. This is give product. Okay, this is one reaction, one chemical reaction. But how to write the rate law? Rate law is directly proportional to the initial concentration of the reactant. So that is what is mean by rate. Rate is defined as the initial directly proportional to the initial concentration of the reactant. So here A, B is the two reactant. That is B reactant is power to M and N. So that is the raised to the power of the expression. So what is rate? What is rate law? Rate law is directly proportional to the initial concentration of the reactant. So now we introduce the constant equal to K is the constant, A power M and B power N. Okay, so this is called as rate constant. Rate constant. Okay, so this is the rate constant. What is mean by, now we can write K, rate is equal to K per initial concentration of the reactant. Now we can consider the same example, cyclopropane. Propane is the reactant, is again it is propene. How to write the rate? Rate is equal to initial K, rate constant, cyclopropane, concentration of cyclopropane. Okay, this is called as rate. So what is mean by, next we are going to see the rate constant, how to calculate the rate constant of the equation. Given one equation, how to calculate the rate constant. So here one example, 2NO, oxidation of, another example, oxidation of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is oxidized to NO2, nitrous oxide. NO is oxidized to nitric oxide. So this experiment conducted in a different concentration. The experiment can be calculated in a different concentration. How it will calculated for the rate? So what is mean by rate? Rate is equal to, what is rate? Rate is equal to initial concentration of, this is the equation. Once again I write the equation. So here that is NO plus O2 giving 2NO2, right? So here also 2NO, all are gaseous state. So here also gaseous state. Okay, this is oxidation of nitric oxide. Well, how to write the rate? What is mean by rate? Initial concentration of the reactant. What is the reactant here? NO and O2. So the initial concentration of NO, that is M, and O2, that is called as N. Okay, this is called as rate. So next for experiment 1, this is the first experiment, second experiment and third experiment. This is the concentration of NO, O2 and the initial rate. Okay, so what is the rate of first experiment? Rate of first experiment, what is the value? How it will calculate it? Rate is equal to initial concentration of NO, M and O2, N. Okay, what is the first experiment value? 19.26 into 10 power minus 2 equal to, what is the K value? K. What is NO value? That is 1.3. What is O2 value? 1.1. Okay, inge M power N. Okay, similar, the experiment, this is the first equation. Next equation, second rate of second experiment, rate of second experiment. How it will be calculated? Rate 2, this is rate 1. What is rate 2? Equal to K of NO, M and O2 N. Okay, again you substitute the value. What is the rate value here? That is 38.4 into 10 power minus 2 equal to K into how much? That is 1.3 per M and 2.2 per N. Okay, this is the second one. Next one is third one. So next one, that is rate 3. Rate of third experiment. What is the rate of third experiment? So again, rate is equal to rate 3 equal to K of NO per M, O2 per N. You substitute that value. What is the NO value? What is the rate 3 value? 76.80 into 10 power minus 2. Here K into 2.6 per M and 1.1 per N. So this is the third equation. Now simplify the second equation divided by first equation. What is the second equation? So here 38.4 into 10 power minus 2 divided by first equation. What is the first equation? First equation is 19.26 into 10 power minus 2 equal to, what is the way value? K, 1.3 per M and 2.2 per N divided by K into 2.6 per M and 1.3 per, that is the first value, 1.3 per M and 1.1 per N. So here that is cancel. So what is 2 9s are, that is 2 equal to K cancel, 2 point divided, that is 2.2 divided by 1.1 per whole per N. Okay, so here we can simplify 2 equal to 2 per N. So that is N is equal to, what is the value? N is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the first one. Next one, the reaction first order with respect to, this is the reaction of respect to NO. So now again we want to NO value, O2 value. So how again? 3 divided by 1. What is the third value? Third value is 76.8 into 10 power minus 2 divided by first value, again 19.26 into 10 power minus 2 equal to, third value is K into 2.6 per M, 1.1 per N divided by K into 1.3 per M and 1.1 per N. So this will be cancelled. So here also 4 times, 19 into 4 times is 70 equal to 2.6 per M divided by 1.3 per M. So that is the, here we can simplify 2 per M. So 4 is equal to 2 per M. So M is equal to 2. So here N is equal to 1 and M is equal to 2. So what is mean by order? So we can write, so N value, M value. So now we can substitute the M and N value. So the equation is the rate law. What is mean by rate law? Rate law equal to initial concentration of NO per M and O2 per N. So what is K is equal to, what is the M value? M value is 2. NO power 2. What is O2? O2 value is, that is 1. O2 power 1. So here that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Overall order of the reaction. Order of reaction equal to, order is equal to M plus N. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the overall order of the reaction. This is the overall order of the reaction. So what is mean by order? Sum of the powers of the concentration. So that is called as, or what is mean by rate? What is mean by rate of the reaction? So here 3 definition is there. What is mean by rate of the reaction? Reaction, rate law, rate constant, then order of the reaction. Order of reaction. What is mean by rate of the reaction? Equal to change in concentration per time. What is mean by rate law? Initial concentration of the reactant. So that is initial concentration of reactant, that is rate law. What is mean by rate constant? K is equal to rate constant. What is order of the reaction? Sum of the powers of the rate, sum of the powers of the rate law. So that is called as order of the reaction. Okay, so today we studied about the what is mean by average rate, instantaneous rate, then what is mean by rate of the reaction, rate law and rate constant. Okay, we see the next we are going to see the what is mean difference between rate and rate constant, and molecularity, order and molecularity we see the next video. Okay, thank you children.